Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer Avalanche from Crypto.com to Gemini in 2025. If you're holding AVAX on Crypto.com and want to move it to Gemini for better security, trading options, or just diversification, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. Let's get started, and remember, always handle your crypto with care to avoid any mishaps. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need active accounts on both Crypto.com and Gemini, with some AVAX in your Crypto.com wallet. Also, double-check that you're using the correct network. Avalanche tokens typically use the Avalanche C chain, so confirm that in your settings. Step 1. Log into your Crypto.com account. Whether you're on the mobile app or website, head to your dashboard and navigate to the Wallets section. Find your AVAX balance and select it. Now, look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. This is where the magic happens. Step 2. Once you're in the withdrawal screen, you'll need the Gemini wallet address. Hop over to your Gemini account, go to your wallet, and copy the AVAX deposit address. Pro tip: always verify the address to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. That could mean permanent loss. Step 3. Back on Crypto.com, paste the Gemini address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of AVAX you want to transfer, but don't forget to check the network fees. These can vary, so aim to transfer enough to cover costs and still get what you need. Step 4. Review everything carefully. Double-check the address, amount, and network. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a transaction confirmation. Keep an eye on your email or app notifications. Finally, once the transfer is initiated, switch to your Gemini account and monitor the deposit. It might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. And there you go. Your AVAX is now on Gemini. In 2025, crypto transfers are more seamless than ever, but always stay vigilant. If you encounter any issues, reach out to the platform's support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.